Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can add a new or a network printer on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with the control panel. So we will be typing here in the Windows search tab control, and then once you type control, you will see under best match a control panel option. So please click on that. And the moment you do that, you will see this kind of window of control panel items coming up. So if you're not seeing the same window, you can just go to this view by option here and then click on large icons. So to do that, just click this drop down button here, select large icons, and you will end up with this kind of window. So once you're in here, we will be looking for devices and printers. Okay, so we will be looking for devices and printers. This one. So we have now the devices and printers, view and manage devices, printers, and print job. So please click on that. And the moment you do that, you will be directed with this Bluetooth and services window here. So here we will be looking for the printers and scanners. So once you click on that, you will see this add a printer or scanner option. So all you need to do is just to click on add device. And once it says, or once the notification says the printer that I want isn't listed, you can add a new device manually. So just click this add a new device manually option here, and then all you need to do is just to click this second option that says select a shared printer by name. So once you select on this one, you can now click on this browse button here, and by just clicking this browse button, you can select the printer that you have just connected with your device. So just select it whatever printer that you have there, and then once you have selected, just click on this select button here, and then the next thing you need to do, you can also have this add a printer using an IP address or host name. So you can just simply add a printer using an IP address or host name. Just click on next. And then here you can add the host name or IP address. Just enter it and then click on next. And then you can also have the fourth option, which is add a Bluetooth, wireless, or network discoverable printer. And then click on next. Here you can just choose a device or printer to add to this PC. And it is now searching for devices. So just wait for this to be done, and then you can now choose for the device or printer that you want to be added to this PC. Now once selected, just please click on next. And once you're done with this one, close this window, and we will go to the File Explorer. So here we will be searching in the search tab file, and then we have the File Explorer under best match. Now once you click on that, it will be opened. Here we need to go to network. Scroll down in this left pane, you will see this network, and you'll be able to see here if you have other printer that you have just installed. So just click on that, and then it will be added, and it will be added to the printer, or it will be added as printer to your device. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.